Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to clear formatting. So as example, I will sort at this paragraph, and if you want to clear formatting, you can go to search tools and you can type clear formatting, click these icons and it will automatically clear the selected paragraph. I will select again at these three paragraphs and you can use the search buttons, type clear, click these icons to clear the selected paragraph. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to clear formatting. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.